Cold. That's my only note. Cold.
Yes, and we're really not going to change that much as we go into the 7-day forecast.
2 words, cold stays.
Cold stays. I know, we were talking about this when we recorded Weather Weenies a little bit earlier today, that when I see the map, I'm almost speechless about the cold.
And if you're speechless, I'm very speechless.
It's been a long time since we've had air that's this cold this early. I believe the 1970s is the last time we were seeing temperatures like this. I don't remember the exact year off the top of my head right now, but look at our low temperatures from this morning. -11 in Freiburg, -3 in Lewiston, 0 in Bangor, -10 in Holton. Our normal low for Portland is 26 degrees. So it is a huge departure from where we typically are for this time of year. Something that we've been talking about really for the entire month and a lot of November too, but this is in a world of its own. We actually broke some low temperature records this morning. Portland got down to 2 degrees, broke the record of 7. Augusta broke the record of 5 at 3 this morning. Bangor did not break the record, which was -8 degrees back in the 1920s, but statewide it was still very cold across the state. We did, though, see some sunshine throughout the afternoon, but we're going to see some increasing clouds late tonight ahead of a little bit of moisture to talk about tomorrow. Our low temperatures tonight are still going to be cold, but they're not going to be quite as cold as they were last night. We still are going to see some single digits, maybe some negatives in areas of the county or far northern Maine, and teens closer to the coast. So again, still really cold. Again, normal low temperature is 26, so we're still in this below average trend. Something that will continue for the 7-day forecast. This is a look at our high temperatures. Yesterday I was calling it the warm up in quotation marks for the weekend. Temperatures will be in the 30s. Another Arctic front crashes our temperatures again for Monday. Maybe we might get into the low 40s on a day like Wednesday or Thursday of next week, for example, but we're going to be stuck in this cold trend for the foreseeable future. So overnight tonight, we start to increase our cloud cover fairly late. So most of the night tonight, you'll see mostly clear skies. It does contribute to our overnight low temperatures being on the colder side. And then we have some moisture around from a system to our south. So I wouldn't be surprised tomorrow if you do see a flurry or perhaps a light snow shower, but we're not expecting a ton of precipitation during the day tomorrow. It is, though, going to be mostly cloudy. Again, those high temperatures will be in the low to mid 30s. And then a bit more sunshine during the day on Sunday. Temperatures will be very similar to Saturday. And then overnight Sunday into early Monday morning, that's when we have another system that comes through, and it will bring some scattered snow showers, especially to areas of southern and western Maine, but the trough associated with it can wobble back and forth, so some areas might see some higher amounts over the weekend. We'll pin down where that should be setting up. And then Monday will be sunny and cold once again. So that little system should bring us about a broad 1 to 3 inches in the areas here shaded in this blue color, which is much of the state, and then areas of northern Maine likely seeing a coating to about 1 inch. And then it is sort of the week of clippers. We have a couple of smaller systems that come through, but no big storms to talk about in the forecast, just the cold. Seas 2 to 3 feet, ocean temperature is 47. So we'll take a look at that 7-day forecast. More clouds around tomorrow, some flurries or light showers possible, high temperatures in the 30s. And then as we get into the second half of the weekend, we do have some more sunshine, Bailey. Temperatures crash as we get into the beginning of next week. A few light chances of precipitation, maybe some light shovelable or plowable snow on Monday morning, but no big storms like I mentioned.
My dad was saying this to me earlier today, like if it's going to be cold, may as well have snow. It's pretty to look at.
I say the exact same thing. It gives a sort of festive atmosphere. So
Absolutely.
As we go into this holiday season, I do kind of feel like I'm in a Hallmark movie.
Aw. All right, we'll see you later.